Hello, everyone. This is the Cardano coder, aka Christian, and today I want to quickly go over how ADA handle works and what they're trying to do with their project. So basically, ADA handle is making it possible so you can easily send Cardano to an address. So like, if my name is Christian, I could send an address to like Christian, and then it would just go to one of my addresses. So it'll make it a lot easier instead of copy pasting these super long strings. You can connect a ADA handle to your wallet, and then people will easily be able to send it that way. Okay, so a quick demo, like CC Vault allows this. So an ADA handle is denoted by starting with a dollar sign and then the name of the address. So like if I wanted to send it to somebody, Bob, I don't know who this is, but they purchased this ADA handle, and now if I send this to Bob and the receiving address, I would like go next. And specify like what I want to send him, and then it would just pay it. But like we can see here, Bob is actually just a name for this address, so it's kind of just I guess a wrapper for it. And how you actually get these tokens is you go to the ADA handle website, you put in your email, and then you can reserve up to 3 in one session. So if I wanted something like Christian or something, I guess it's taken, but let's see, Cardano coder. We can see if I wanted to purchase this, it'd be 10 ADA, and I would get an NFT in response, and then this NFT would be in my wallet, but the Cardano Coder ADA handle would be registered, and then whenever anybody sends to this address, like I would get the funds. So it's just an easier way to send Cardano around, and overall it's going to make the user experience a lot better. One thing that's a little annoying is it can be very expensive to like mint these. So again, Cardano coder we saw was 10 ADA, but the shorter you make your address, the more expensive it is. So if I just do something random like Z1, this would be 795 ADA, which is like ridiculous. So the longer it is, the cheaper it is. But obviously the shorter it is, the more simple it is. So we can see the price slowly going down as I add more characters. But it is pretty crazy expensive, and I don't know. I feel like overall it's a bit more centralized. There probably should be a way that this should get cheaper. You can also go to like JPEG Store to buy different ADA handles that people already bought. But if you sort by price, right now they're just like some people are just thinking these are way more valuable than they actually are. Like people are selling these for 100 million ADA. Um, I'm probably just doing that as a joke, but yeah, that's basically what ADA handle is. I think it's a really cool new project, good idea, but I'm not sure if it'll be like the something that will last super long because it's weird to have one central source doing all the ADA handles. So eventually, I would maybe like to see this open source, but for now, I might just get one just for fun. But yeah, that's about it, and thanks for watching.